Under normal operating conditions, a PPR piping system can have a design life of over 50 years, significantly reducing maintenance and replacement needs. Utilizing heat fusion technology, the joint becomes an integral part of pipe, eliminating the risk of leakage and ensuring excellent sealing performance. The smooth inner surface resists scale buildup, reduce hydraulic resistance, improve water delivery efficiency, and lower energy consumption. The low-weight facility handling and the installation while maintaining high mechanical strength, making it adaptable to variety of installation environments. PPR systems are suitable for hot and cold water system, underfloor heating system, central air conditioning system, solar water heating system, and other building plumbing applications.